Wherever you are right now, it's just temporary, young people. I'm older than most everybody in here. I'm 64 years old. But dig this now. You ain't gonna get here without an effort. You just gotta try. I failed more times than anybody in here. I promise you I have. I just failed at a couple of businesses last month. I lost money at a couple of cracks I took. But I'm invested in 25, 30 companies. 20 of them doing good. Michael Jordan, in his career, has taken 946 game-winning shots. Michael Jordan has only made 134 game-winning shots. You don't know about them misses, though. But you know what they wrote about? Them 134 he made. All you gotta do is, you just gotta get the makes, man. You're gonna miss a bunch of times. The average professional baseball player goes to the plate and is successful. A superstar is successful 3 out of 10 times. Only 3 out of 10 times to the plate is he successful. They'll pay that $40 million a year to go up there and be successful 30% of the time. Are you kidding me? They don't pay you for the misses. They pay you for the hits. All you gotta do is get one hit. All you need is one hit show. One, just one. If you get one, let me tell you something. I got on Showtime at the Apollo. I turned that little show that came on at 2 o'clock in the morning, I turned it into a hit. All you got to do is get one hit. 3 out of 10 in a baseball, and they pay you tens of millions of dollars. Quit trying to hit all the home runs. You ain't gonna make all home runs. You just need some base hits. You gotta swing your bat though. Get up to the plate. But you gotta get in the batter's box. Get in there. Let the hit you, so what? Bam! I'm on first base. That's how you gotta play the game, man. This is a game of misses.